this sort of bypasses Ullapool town, obviously, as you know, which is over there. I'd come back here for a wee stay. As before, it was a shitty place we ended up staying, wasn't it?
Yep.
There's bound to be some really nice bed and breakfasts here and things like that. 170 miles to John O'Groats, and it's less than that for us, NC500, see? It's not really that far in the big scheme of things, so we'll just take our time, eh? If there's any views, we'll try and spot them on the approach. Where it's still pissing the rain. I'm hoping this will pass over.
There's no potential there.
No. Like I say, it said this would pass over in the morning, the afternoon would be fine, sort of late morning, early into the afternoon, so there's a big buckle hill there somewhere, we can barely see it. Oh, there's a lock. That's locked room, obviously. That's a bit better, look. It's
clearer.
Yeah. Lovely. What a steep beach that is, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, windy spot there, eh?
I suspect that's most of the year as well.
What was that, Dan?
I suspect that's most of the year as well.
Yeah. Imagine what it's like in the winter when you get Atlantic storms coming in.
Yeah.
Nice. I suppose its trade-off is the view. Constantly changing. Seasons and that. What's that film with Gene Kelly where the place appears in the mist in Scotland? The town appears in the mist, you only see it in the mist and the fog. Oh god, what is it?
Is that not on the road to somewhere?
No, it's a film. The name of the film is the name of the town, I think. But it's in Scotland, but it's almost like a fantasy thing. The town only ever appears in the fog and the mist somewhere. I can't remember the name of it. The reason I mentioned it is, remember when we came back from Orkney one time and we come in the car and we come right across the top of Scotland, down the way, and we saw this hotel up on it was on our left when we were coming south.
Yeah.
With the sort of big bay window thing around it. And I've mentioned this to people over the years and nobody has any clue what I'm talking about. Nobody can think of one that's like that, yet we definitely saw it.
Yeah.
And we had no idea where it was, so we could never find it again because it looked like the most amazing place to stay.
Yeah.
So I was just thinking, it's like that place, you know? In the Gene Kelly film. I can't remember the name of it, might just appear in the fog. Yeah. Oh, there it is. You know?
You never know.
I know.
You never know. Me?
It's like a picture of me with hair.
Me?
On that road sign, it was like a picture of me with hair.
Oh, I didn't see that. I was looking down here. So this is part of the NC500?
Yep. Basically from, you know,
Covered quite a lot of that, have we not?
we will do quite a lot of it, yeah. We'll have done the best bit of it. Because the rest of it is down, well, from the ferry down the way type of thing, you know?
What?
You know the ferry we're getting, yes?
Uh-huh.
Well, when you come south from the ferry, that is NC500 too. So this is the best bit of it. So everybody says do it counterclockwise. So you get the east coast and that kind of thing done first, and then you get the best of it last, i.e. this, but coming this way.
Alright.
So I think with one or two small modifications for, I think, the NC500, if we'd have wanted to follow that north, we'd have had to go over Bilat Nabad to Applecross. You know, so we missed out that loop. And I think there's another loop near that shield egg, I think, that we missed it. Apart from that, it's pretty much the NC500. Go fast, just don't want to go that slow.
Choppy?
Be a nicer bit of a day to stop you and take pictures. Huh? But not on a day like this. Oh wow. Substantial building as well, eh? Here as well at one point. Yeah. This is going to be a community someplace interesting. Look at that. Wow. What a view. Huh?
Yeah, a road.
Alright. Stunning. Some kind of valley.
What's it?
This is the Kylesku bridge we're going over down.
Oh, it's lovely.
So you park over there and you get a look at the bridge. Look at the height up there though, look. I'll have to stop and get a photo here, right? Okay. I'll get a picture.
So, what did you say?
I have to stop and get a picture.
Yes, of course.
I have my camera to hand. Well, that's stunning. Like, I always seen it in films and pictures, but I didn't realise the height of it. Good God.
Oh! What a fright I got.
I didn't realise it was so high. That was, wow, that's quite impressive. It really is impressive. I didn't realise that. Wee panel shot here, I think, yeah? Take it out, do it again. He's in it, I don't want him in it there. Try again.